Welcome to this detailed tutorial on inserting a PowerPoint presentation into Excel. In this guide, you will learn how to integrate a presentation into your spreadsheet by following a series of clear sequential steps. Begin your process by launching the PowerPoint application on your computer. Opening PowerPoint is important because you need to have access to the presentation file that you are planning to embed into Excel. After PowerPoint has opened, take a moment to navigate to and open the presentation you wish to work with. This is your opportunity to ensure that the file you have is complete and correctly formatted, and you might want to make any necessary edits before moving forward with your integration process. With your presentation ready in PowerPoint, it is time to shift your focus to Excel. Open the Excel software on your computer next. Once Excel is running, you will be ready to start the process that allows you to integrate your PowerPoint content into your spreadsheet environment. Inside Excel, direct your attention to the top ribbon where the various tabs are located. Locate and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is crucial because it houses many options that allow you to bring different types of content into your document, including charts, images, and other objects. Within the Insert tab, there is a drop-down menu labeled Text. Clicking on the Text drop-down will reveal several options for inserting non-numeric content. From these options, choose Object. This selection informs Excel that you intend to insert an item created in a different application, in this case your PowerPoint presentation. After selecting Object, a dialog window will appear, offering multiple tabs for different insertion methods. Ensure that you click on the tab marked Create from File. This instruction is important because it specifies that you want to embed or link to an existing file rather than creating a new object from scratch. Once you have activated the Create from File tab, you will see a button labeled Browse. Click on Browse to open a file selection window. This action will allow you to navigate through your computer's directories to locate the PowerPoint presentation that you prepared earlier. Carefully browse through your folders or drives, and when you find the correct file, select it. With the PowerPoint file selected, the final step in the process is to click on OK in the dialog window. By clicking OK, you confirm your choice and Excel will begin embedding or linking the PowerPoint presentation into your current spreadsheet. This action completes the integration process, making your presentation content accessible within Excel. Following these instructions will enable you to successfully insert a PowerPoint presentation into your Excel document. It is important to verify that you have chosen the correct file and that both PowerPoint and Excel are functioning as expected throughout the process. This integration can enhance your workflow by allowing you to consolidate information from different Microsoft Office applications into a single workspace. Enjoy the increased productivity and seamless experience that comes with combining these powerful tools.